What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be working on the Supra. Car already looks low, but just want to fill in the gaps on the front and the rears, and I also got some spacers for it. Also got these cheap compressors on Amazon. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. I just needed to hold it anyway, not to explode on us. And I believe the Swift springs are negative 1.5 inches, so it should be solid. I don't want this car to be too low, but yeah, it should look good after this. I'm just logging it in place so when we take out the top nut, it won't risk denting the top. I can do that. I can dent the top if it's not secured, the spring.
Oh. No, that thing is not gonna come out.
I know, but without it though.
Without it, of course.
So, dude. Are you tightening it? All the connectors are out. Should be able to take out the strut. Got the nut out. Now the strut should drop. Just drop from the top. Let me hold it.
The other way.
Okay, these are the spacers I went with. Burger Motorsports. One with 13 millimeter in the front, 15 millimeter in the rear, and oh man, should make it look a little bit better. And if you guys want to go back to stock, make sure you mark it so when you put it back to stock, you know where it goes, right?
Yeah, I'm not the same way.
I mean, you'll know where it goes, but you want the exact points.
Okay. Now we're just gonna need the.
When you put the clamps in, make sure you don't hit the sensor right here. Let me see.
Right there.
This sensor. Gotta make sure I get the right lug nuts for the front spacers.
Okay. Let's see.
It's ready to take
We need to take this
out.
out.
Yeah, it's ready.
It's ready.
It's right there.
Okay. 18.
18's right here, no? Oh, 17. It's way easier than taking out these 4
Gotta put the jack underneath.
lug nuts. Oh.
That's good.
You want to make sure when you lift this up with the jack, you don't want to jack it up on the heat shield. So the top hat on this has to align with this little notch right here, or else it won't sit right. Take this out. Just putting all the wiring back,
Part two.
and fronts are done. I like to go in a star first, and then in a circle to make sure everything's torqued. Front's done. Alright guys, this is day 2 of us trying to install the lowering springs. Yesterday we ran out of daylight and we ran into a problem. The fronts were pretty easy, but we ran into a problem on the rears.
One eternity later.
After 2 days, we finally got on the rear suspension. The reason being it was so hard was because the handbrake was on, which was making it hard for us to even move the control arm. So if you're doing the rear or just the suspension in general, huh? Just
make sure you take the handbrake off, e-brake, because everything will be tight. Suspension will be all tight.
We're probably the only ones that left the handbrake on though.
The only one that gave me a freaking headache.
At least we learned something.
We're just rookies.
Well, you're not a rookie. Well, for new cars.
Everybody's still a rookie.
For new cars, at least.
It's better to be a rookie than think you're a pro.
Well, you have a lot of knowledge. That's it. You can always learn something new.
Always learning. It's better to learn every day.
Yeah, guys. So now we just have to do the other side of the car and we'll be done. Just gotta take out this little plastic guard here and then just these 2 bolts. Should be able to go down. Shouldn't be too hard. Make sure you got this seated correctly. Right there, there's a little notch there. And also on the bottom, it's nicely seated there. So this is ready to go back on. And then there's this little tab right there that goes inside. See if I can see it from here. This little tab right here. And should be good to go. Alright, everything's done. Finally done. It took longer than expected, but I'm happy with the fitment now. Still needs to settle a little bit. The gap is more filled in here. And yeah, man. Overall, I'm happy about the fitment. It looks better than stock. Let's go for a test drive. Let him Pops drive the Supra.
How do you drive this?
So you go click this.
Oh, click
Are you
this?
on the brake?
Yeah.
You go down.
Click down?
Yeah. There's no clunking.
It's nice. Man, it's more responsive too. They said the older one are more responsive.
No, the newer ones have better suspension. A lot of people are complaining about the suspension on this.
Well, just the shocks and the spring, the same design. I looked at it.
Oh. Well, now it's on sport.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
go down?
On gear?
Wait, go slow down. Go to second gear. Try to take off. Lost traction. Good job, Dad. Figured it out.
That was good.
Alright guys, gonna end the video here with a car wash and a little b-roll for you guys. Super stoked on the ride height. It's my girlfriend. And yeah, man, happy how it turned out. And enjoy the b-roll, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.